let's go over the ingredients. Here I have a bottle of Parmesan garlic and cayenne pepper, Parmesan cheese and whole milk, a block of cream cheese, boneless chicken breast, and uncooked rotini pasta. Okay, in my slow cooker, I'm just going to start placing the chicken breast. Just flat. You can cut them up into, in half if you prefer, but I'm just gonna leave them whole because we are going to shred it at the end. Okay. And then I'm just going to pour in the Parmesan garlic, just right on top. Get everything out of the bowl. And I did add some water to the bottle and shake it up so I can get everything out of the bottle itself. There we go. And then 1 cup of milk, along with some Parmesan. And then this is just for heat, so this is optional. If you don't want any heat, then don't add any. And the heat is to your preference. And then I'm gonna add in the cream cheese, and I did cut it into cubes just to make it easier. And I'm just going to wiggle them all in there a little bit. And then just give it a quick little stir on top, just to kind of get incorporated. Okay, they are nice and snuggle in. All right. And then I'm going to cover it with the lid and then turn it on to high and then cook this for about 2 to 3 hours. You want to bring a pot of water to a boil. When it's boiling, you just want to add in your rotini. And then just give it a quick stir. And then you want to cook this until it's nice and al dente. And then you can go ahead and add some salt if you wish, but I didn't add any salt. And then you'll want to drain and rinse under cold water. Okay, after 3.5 hours of cooking, I'm just going to remove the chicken and then I'm just going to shred it. And you can go ahead and shred it by hands if you prefer, but I'm just going to do it by using a fork. You can also use a handheld mixer too. That's what I normally use to shred my chickens, but not today. I just love how when you cook it in the slow cooker, the meat is just so tender. If you prefer, you can just go ahead and just shred it right into the slow cooker. You don't need to take it out of the slow cooker, put on a plate. You do what you want. This is just my preference. Okay, and then after your chicken is all nice and shredded, I'm just going to dump in the chicken just back in. Okay, and I'm also going to throw in the pasta. And then just gonna give it a nice stir to combine everything well. Get it all nice and coated. You guys, this smells amazing. And it's gonna taste even better. And then at this point, you are ready to serve. Here is the end results of the slow cooked creamy chicken Parmesan pasta. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.